The IELTS speaking test is a crucial part of the IELTS exam. It assesses your ability to communicate effectively in English. A good speaking score is essential for those who want to study, work, or migrate to English-speaking countries. Your performance in this test demonstrates your fluency, vocabulary, and grammar skills in a real-life conversational setting. It is important to approach this section with confidence and preparation to achieve your desired band score. The IELTS speaking test is divided into 3 distinct parts, each designed to assess different aspects of your speaking abilities. Part 1 involves general questions about yourself and familiar topics, such as your hobbies, interests, or daily routines. You will need to provide basic information and express your opinions clearly and concisely, demonstrating your ability to communicate effectively. Part 2 is a solo speaking task, where you will be given a cue card with a specific topic to discuss. You have 1 minute to prepare your thoughts and then need to speak for 1 to 2 minutes, covering all the points mentioned on the card. Finally, Part 3 delves deeper into the topic from Part 2, requiring you to engage in a more analytical and abstract discussion with the examiner, showcasing your critical thinking skills. Understanding the structure of each part will allow you to better prepare and strategize your responses, ultimately boosting your confidence and performance during the test. Many test takers make avoidable mistakes that can lower their scores. One common error is memorizing answers. Examiners can easily spot this, and it reflects poorly on your ability to communicate spontaneously. Avoid giving short, yes, no answers. Instead, elaborate on your responses and provide reasons and examples. Don't worry too much about using complex vocabulary if you're not comfortable with it. Focus on communicating your ideas clearly and naturally. Remember to listen attentively to the examiner's questions and address all parts of the prompt. Section 4. Speaking with fluency. Tips for clear and coherent communication. Speaking fluently involves connecting your ideas smoothly and logically. This means ensuring that your thoughts flow naturally from one to the next. Use linking words and phrases to create coherence and transition between sentences. These words act as bridges, making your speech more understandable. For instance, use connectors like however, moreover, and furthermore to add depth to your points. And in addition to show contrast, addition, or consequence. These connectors help clarify the relationship between your ideas. Practice speaking at a natural pace, neither too fast nor too slow. This helps your audience follow along without feeling rushed or bored. If you need a moment to gather your thoughts, use phrases like, "Let me think for a second." This shows you are considering your response carefully. Or, "That's an interesting question." These phrases buy you time and show engagement with the topic. Remember that fluency is about communicating your ideas effectively, not speaking perfectly. Focus on clarity and coherence to make your message understood. Section 5. Accuracy matters. Pronunciation and grammar tips. While fluency is important, accuracy in pronunciation and grammar is equally crucial for a high score. Both aspects work hand in hand to ensure effective communication. Work on your pronunciation, focusing on clear enunciation and correct word stress. This will help you sound more natural and be easily understood. Listen to native English speakers and try to imitate their intonation patterns. Pay attention to the rhythm and melody of their speech. Ensure you use a variety of grammatical structures accurately. This will make your speech and writing more dynamic and interesting. Review verb tenses, articles, and sentence structures to avoid common grammatical errors. Consistent practice will help reinforce these rules. Practice speaking on different topics using a range of vocabulary and grammar. This will prepare you for various real-life situations. You can record yourself speaking and analyze it for areas of improvement. This self-assessment is a powerful tool for progress. Section 6. Conclusion. Achieving success with proper preparation. The IELTS Speaking test can appear daunting, but with adequate preparation and practice, you can achieve your desired score. Familiarize yourself with the test format, understand the assessment criteria, and practice your speaking skills regularly. Focus on expressing yourself clearly, fluently, and accurately. Utilize online resources, practice tests, and language partners to enhance your speaking abilities. Remember to approach the test with confidence and a positive attitude. With dedication and hard work, you can succeed in the IELTS speaking test.